In this video, I'm going to explain if web development is dead, if you should be worried about AI taking your job, and how you can prepare in the shifting industry. In short, you don't have to worry. Web development isn't going anywhere. I think, personally, it's just the people, there's more people in the industry that are getting into it as opposed to 8-10 years ago, 5 years ago. So you hear more and more people looking for jobs, doing a mediocre job, and struggling. Bootcamps were a thing that got popularized around 10-15 years ago. Now they're one of the more popular forms of education, even over universities. So people are flooding the job market with bootcamp experience. And that's okay. And what maybe was optional in terms of job searching and going above and beyond 10 years ago is now required to stick out. So it's okay that bootcamp grads are flooding the job markets. It's okay if you're a bootcamp grad. It's no stress. If you want to work in tech, you can work in tech. So no stress. Just keep getting after it. The barrier to entry is lower. If you think about doing software development in the 90s, you had to deploy your own servers. It was mainly HTML, very little JavaScript, if any, and it was really hard to find resources. Now you can pretty much teach yourself how to be a developer on YouTube, so more and more people are becoming developers. That being said, just because the barrier to entry is lower doesn't mean the quality of people coming into the field are higher. Just like pick any job that's been popularized, maybe something in marketing. The barrier to entry is pretty low. You can take a marketing class in school, learn a little bit, and then go get a job. So to be competitive, you need to go above and beyond and do things that other people are doing. If you're interested, let me know if you want to see a video on how to become a top 1% developer so you can avoid struggling through your job search. Also, it's important to focus on skills that make you stand out. If you're from a bootcamp or you're just starting out, working on an engineering team, building your own products for production, knowing how to test code, knowing how to communicate asynchronously. All of these things will set you apart from everyone else. So look at what everyone else is doing and go one more step further. And I can talk about that in another video. The most popular of the topics, artificial intelligence. Is artificial intelligence taking over? Is going to take your job? No. It is going to enhance your job, though. And as a new developer, I wouldn't necessarily focus on using these tools because I think it's important to struggle. Where I think artificial intelligence is going to help developers, and you specifically, is taking care of the 40% of minutia work, writing a unit test that you know how to do that will save you time. Or maybe you use it as a pair programming partner to solve a problem. So it won't take your job, it'll enhance your job. And soon it'll be required to know how to do that. It's a very similar skill as to hiring a junior developer or someone underneath you. If you own a business and you do everything, and you identify there's 10% of tasks that aren't worth your time, you hire someone, you teach them, and now they do it, and you pay them a fee for it, and that fee is technically lower than what your cost would be to do them. GitHub Copilot, all of these things are the same. You're going to find the tasks that you aren't worth your time to do for you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't stress. Web development is here to stay and will continue to thrive. It's important, though, to separate yourself from the other 99% and do what's necessary to get the job and excel in the career. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Thank you so much for watching. Talk to you soon.